Laboratory tests prove the protection against immersion in water under stated conditions of pressure and time. Freely programmable parameters, absolute and incremental measuring mode, linear and angular measurement, conversion of the unit of measure, millimeters, inches, degrees, excellent readability, display with 5 digits 8 mm high, corrosion resistance, IP65 or IP67 protection class, battery life of over 5 years. The test shows that after 30 minutes of complete immersion in water at 1 meter, according to the international standards, no penetration of water or humidity has taken place. The indicator proves to be perfectly functioning.